Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For this design, you'll want to paint all of your nails sheer. To make the sunflowers, start off by making a yellow semicircle in the corner of your nail. Next, keep using the same yellow to make long, pointy petals coming off of the semicircle. Keep going until you fill all the space around it. When I finish painting the petals, I lighten the tips of each one with a lighter yellow. When you're happy with the petals, fill in the semicircle with brown polish. Don't worry about making it too neat. You want the edges to be a little messy to look more like seeds. Make a few dots with black polish in the center of the brown semicircle. Next, we're going to add the leaves. Use a medium green to make 2 leaves, one beside the sunflower and one below it. You can either stop here or you can add a bit more dimension to the leaves. To do this, I filled in half of each leaf with a dark green and then added some veins with a lighter green. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.